Hello friends, welcome to Nino's Maths class. Today we are discussing some important problems in trigonometry using trigonometric identities and trigonometric ratios. So let's start. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon. Okay, let's discuss first problem. What is that? Tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. We want to prove that LHS equal to RHS. So we first take LHS. LHS equal to tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. We know that using trigonometric identities, what is the relation between sec square theta and tan square theta? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. From that we got tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Substituting in LHS in the place of tan square theta, we got a sec square theta minus 1 within bracket plus what is cot square theta? Again using trigonometric identities, we know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. From that we got cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Substituting in the position of cot square theta in LHS, we got cosec square theta minus 1 also plus 2. Okay, plus 2. Then we know that sec square theta minus 1 minus 2. So plus cosec square theta minus 2 plus 2. Cancelling minus 2 and plus 2, we got sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Then we know that again using trigonometric ratios. What do you mean by trigonometric ratios? Ratios between sine, cos. Okay, we know that cos theta equal to 1 by sine theta. Sorry, cosec theta equal to 1 by sine theta. Also sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay, cosec theta equal to 1 by sine theta. Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Substituting in here, we know that 1 by cos theta all square plus 1 by sine theta all square. Then take LCM, either cos square theta, sine square theta in the denominator, or in the upper side we got sine square theta plus cos square theta. Again use identity, trigonometric identities. What is sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. Therefore 1 by cos square theta into sine square theta. Again we know that 1 by sine theta equal to cosec theta, sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So 1 by cos square theta means sec square theta into cosec square theta, which is equal to RHS. These are the trigonometric identities and ratios we used for this problem. Then we got LHS equal to RHS. Again I am explaining tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. Converting tan square theta into sec square theta minus 1 and cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Then adding we got cosec square theta plus cosec square theta only. Then we converting using trigonometric ratios. What is sec, relation between sec and cos? Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Substituting in the above equation, then we got cos square theta, sin square theta in the denominator and sin square theta plus cos square theta in the numerator. Then again we know that trigonometric identity cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So this is replaced by 1. So 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta, which is equal to, we again 1 by cos square theta equal to sec square theta and 1 by sin square theta equal to cosec square theta. Hence we got LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Second problem, 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. First we take LHS. LHS equal to, what you got? 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1. We know that what is tan theta equal to? Again trigonometric relation. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Also what you got? Cos theta is cos theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. This is the inverse of tan. It's a cot theta. Sorry, cot theta equal to. Then substituting in it, 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta divided by cot square theta cos square theta by sin square theta minus 1. Okay. Then we take LCM here. Cos square theta LCM, what we got? Cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by, again in the denominator, sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta. What you got as common? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. That is cancelling these two. Cancelling these two, we got 1 by cos square theta into 1 by what it will? Sin square theta by 1. We got sin square theta by cos square theta, which is equal to tan square theta. That is the RHS. That is sin 1 minus tan square by cot square theta minus 1. LHS equal to, we got as tan square theta as the RHS. Here we used the trigonometric ratio, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Then substituting in the LHS, we got 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta divided by cos square theta by sin square theta minus 1. We know that cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Okay. Then cancelling, we got 1 by cos square theta divided by 1 by sin square theta, which is equal to 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta by 1. Then sin square theta by cos square theta, which is equal to tan square theta, which is equal to 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta by 1. Then sin square theta by cos square theta, which is equal to tan square theta, which is equal to RHS. Okay. This is important problem. Okay, thank you. Third problem, 1 plus ck divided by ck equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. This is the third problem. Take LHS. LHS equal to 1 plus CA divided by CK, which is equal to, we know that 1 CK. What is the relation between sec and cos? CA is equal to 1 by cos A. So, which is equal to 1 plus 1 by cos A divided by ck equal to 1 by cos A. Take in the upper position as LCM as cos A, which is equal to, in the above we got cos A plus 1 divided by 1 by cos A. Cancelling cos A, what we got? We got as cos A plus 1 divided by 1. Then compare it with the answer, that is the RHS. Here the denominator contains 1 minus cos A. So multiplying both sides by 1 minus cos A. We know that 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A equal to 1 into 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Okay. Also is equal to 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A, that is A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to 1 minus cos square A, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus cos A. What is 1 minus cos square A? Using again trigonometric identity, that is equal to sin square A by 1 minus cos A, which is equal to RHS. That is sine square. We know that sine square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So sine square a equal to 1 minus cos square a. That we got sine square a by 1 minus cos a as RHS. This is it. First we take LHS 1 plus CK by CK. Then converting CK using trigonometric ratios 1 plus 1 by cos A. Take LCM cos A plus 1 by cos A divided by 1 by cos A. Then cancelling cos A and cos A. We got cos A plus 1 by 1. Then multiply it with 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A. This is equal to 1. So, we got upper part. This is 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. That is A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. Which is equal to 1 minus A into 1 minus cos A. That is A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. Which is equal to 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos A sin square A by 1 minus cos A, which is equal to RHS. Okay. Hope everyone understood these three problems. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.